So traffic versus conversion, which boosts ROAS? Well, if you're running Facebook ads using the traffic campaign option, you are burning money, not slowly, not accidentally, systematically. Now, for over 12 years, we've run Facebook ads across B2B and B2C markets, and this is one of the most expensive mistakes we have seen. Businesses optimizing for clicks, that's traffic, instead of customers, buyers. That's conversion. Now, we've cut acquisition costs nearly in half by simply switching the campaign objective without touching the creative, without touching the offer or the budget. So in this video, I'll show you why traffic and conversion campaigns produce completely different outcomes. You'll see which one actually boosts ROAS and exactly how to structure yours. So Meta finds buyers instead of clickers. And I talk about Meta in Facebook ads, Meta ads, same thing. So Facebook does exactly what you tell it to do. So when you optimize for link clicks, it finds people who click links. When you optimize for engagement, that's another type, it finds people who engage. But when you optimize for purchases, it finds people who buy. These are buyers, and the reason so many accounts underperform is because business owners celebrate cheap clicks instead of profitable outcomes. Clicks do not equal customers, and traffic does not equal revenue. Traffic campaigns optimize for the behavior of clicking. And there's a very specific segment of users inside Meta that clicks constantly, opts into free stuff, scrolls endlessly, and rarely purchases. So when you choose traffic, you're actively instructing the algorithm that is, to find more of that exact behavior. And that guarantees low buyer intent and a very weak ROAS, return on ad spend. Now, compare that to conversion campaigns where you select sales and you optimize for purchase. Because now you're instructing Meta to find people who complete transactions. And that shifts optimization towards credit card behavior, wallet out, checkout completion patterns, spending signals, and real buying history. All the while, your cost per click may increase, your traffic quality goes with it. It moves up, and ROAS is not about the cheapest traffic, it's about the most profitable traffic. So here's the math clearly. A traffic campaign at 50 cents per click, driving 1,000 clicks at 1% conversion rate in this example. It produces 10 sales. A conversion campaign at $2 per click, driving 300 clicks at a 5% conversion rate, produces 15 sales. That is less traffic, fewer clicks. Guess what? More revenue. That is why conversion optimization boosts ROAS and traffic optimization, well, it does not. So if you want to set this up correctly, start by verifying your meta pixel inside the Events Manager, confirm your purchase event is firing properly, verify your domain, and prioritize purchase inside the aggregated event measurement so Meta understands that this is your primary revenue signal. And if you sell high ticket through booked calls, you can optimize for the lead objective tied to a confirmed appointment, but you should always try to optimize for the deepest revenue event available because the algorithm improves with stronger signals. When creating your campaign, select sales as the objective, not traffic, not engagement. Choose website as the conversion location, and set the performance goal to maximize conversions. And select purchase as the event, and then allocate enough budget to generate meaningful data. Because ideally, you want around 50 conversions per week, per ad set for stable optimization. That's a Facebook recommendation. And if you are not there yet, you could start with, the lead optimization objective and then retarget towards purchase. But scaling traffic campaigns expecting buyers is structurally flawed. And your creative must align with buyer intent as well. We talk about congruence, because if your messaging attracts freebie seekers, well, you'll feed the algorithm the low quality conversion data and you'll sabotage performance. So speak directly to decision makers. Lead with authority, use proof and case studies, and focus on outcomes and revenue instead of curiosity or free value, because your optimization setting and your creative positioning must reinforce each other if you want the algorithm to scale efficiently. Meta's system improves with event density, which means the more purchase data it receives, the better it identifies income signals, spending behavior, and buying frequency. And when you consistently feed it buyer data, it becomes dramatically more efficient at finding more buyers, which is how sustainable scaling actually works. Training campaigns have a place for content distribution, retargeting, pool building, and pixel warming, although we don't really do this too often. But when the objective is improving ROAS and scaling revenue, conversion optimization is what actually boosts performance. So, in summary, if you want the full high-ticket Facebook ads blueprint that shows exactly how we structure cold, warm, and retargeting campaigns together to systematically improve ROAS, feel free to book a strategy session if you want to get some help implementing this. We're glad to help you here, and there's a link below. And Facebook gives you exactly what you optimize for, so remember that. So stop optimizing for clicks and start optimizing for customers and clients. I want to thank you for watching today, and don't miss this next video. I think it's on this side, actually. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.